Hello everyone, this is Ali from 241 Coding, and in this lesson we'll be going over how to create tables. The first thing you want to do is open your editor. And if you're using Visual Studio Code, you can click open here. You can go to our desktop and create a new folder called table. Now once you create table, we can open that up, and inside of table we can create an index.html. Now inside that index.html, you can use a quick shortcut, !tab, just to generate this code. Now for the title of this document, we'll call it table. So once we save that document and we open it with the live server, here you can see that tables is the name of the tab over here. Now to create a table, we do the table and then close it with a /table. Now inside the table, we want a table row. So our first table row. Now for the head of the table, we do TH. Now our first TH will make first name, and then we'll make the second TH H. Now we can create a second table row, and in that second table row, it's not the title, so instead of TH, we do TD. Now we can insert first name underneath first nouns part value, and then for age, we can create another TD, and we'll give the age, let's just throw in 32 here. Now if we save that, we can see first name and age is bolded. Well, that's the default because of TH, because it's the head. And then in the TD, we have under first name is the name and age is the age. Now another thing I find tables useful for is creating things like top menu bars in websites. So for example, I'll create another table. Inside of that, another row. In that row, we'll create TH, we'll make that home, create another TH about, and a last TH for visit us. Now we save that. We can see they're next to each other. So I use this because they're next to each other because I find it much easier than using float properties, and the code is much more simple in my opinion. So now to make this look more like a top menu bar, we'll first give each of these a class. We'll give this a class of home, we'll give this one a class of about, and we'll give this one a class of visit. Now we can go ahead and create a style.css and then go back to our HTML and just do link rel equals style sheet href equals style.css. Close that and save that. Now we can go to our CSS dot home. We can do border right 1 px solid. Save that. And we see on the right of home, we have a border. Then we can copy this. Go ahead and make one for about and save that. Now you see one there. Now we don't really need one for visit us because it's at the end. If you want to add it, it's the same thing. Just do it for that visit. Now you can also make the borders more spaced out, but that's another CSS lesson. So there's so many more things you can do with it, but this is the basic top menu bar. So that's what I find tables most useful for. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. And with that, get coding.